Hello, today we are going to mount on the scooter an alarm right here. And in this video I'm going to show you how. Hello, how you doing? We have an alarm here for the scooter today. Right here. We have the little siren right here. We have the little box control. Look like I'm getting some wiring right here, and I'm getting some controllers. The two controls right here inside the bag, okay? There are controllers, wiring, siren right here, and the control box right here. This one is for motorcycle, scooter. Looks very interesting. We got one controller right here. Ooh la la. A controller with spare key. Wow, that looks like a Mercedes, huh? Looks cool. So, look like we got a starter. We got alarm on, alarm off. We have the connection right here. We have another remote control right here. Okay, wow, lots of little things and everything right here. All the wiring with the little box. Looks very interesting. It's like a Christmas for me in May. This one is like a wiring with all the wires. Okay, with a connection right here. Look at this one. Is that cute? This one is a little siren for the scooter. So you can make a lot of noise. I don't know what kind of noise it's gonna make, but 125 dB. So it should be nice and loud, huh? 125 dB. That's what you get. It's got the little connection right here for the siren. It's got the sticky tape in the back, so you can put this one in the back. Lots of little things in those little bag. Anybody can tell me what does it say? Huh? This one is the little alarm for your scooter. I cannot really read it, okay? I'm Italiano, but this one is Chinese, my friend. You know? So this one. So there's a little wiring diagram right here. Wiring diagram. This one is for the wiring. Okay, everything is right here. I don't know what it is. Black and white, blue, red. That's the main unit connection diagram. Very interesting. So stop engine, overtaking, searching car, sitting shake sensibility level 2.5 second. So to lock her up, press one's lock, press one lock, horn will brake for 15 seconds. Anyway, you got all the descriptions right here if you can read it. Okay. Anyway, lots of tools, lots of toys. Everything is about 20 bucks online. Not bad for $20. Very exciting. Okay, this one. Let's put for now everything in the bag. Okay. Now some of those GY6 scooters, they already have the connections ready for the alarm. Okay, so it should be easy. Okay, so all these things, they're $18, so it's pretty good for $18. I don't know how long it's gonna last and what kind of noise it's gonna make and what kind of alarm it is, but $18 is a good deal. They give me a lot of little things right here. They give me a lot of little things right here for $18, okay? Let's see. The best way to place your alarm is right in front of the scooter. Right here there is a few screws to remove, so you can open this part right here. The nose of your scooter is right on top of the headlights, okay? Okay, to remove the front part of your scooter, you're going to need a Phillips screwdriver right here, 1 and 2 right here, okay? This one is for removing the front part of your scooter. Plus you're going to have 2 Phillips screws on the bottom of the nose of your scooter, right in the front, okay? So 2 right here and 2 in the front on the bottom. So make sure you do it slowly, because you might break the plastic. Everything in the scooter is made of plastic. I like these scooters, the way they're made, but they break easily, okay? So let's start it. Okay, we have 1 screw right here on the right side, 1 screw on the left side. They're both Phillips screws, okay? One right here. And one right here. Place it in the place when they're not going to go on the floor, and where you're going to remember where is the screws. Because if you're gonna forget those screws, lately you're gonna find them in your tires, okay? That's what they always go. After these ones, we go in the front. Right down here, we have 2 more screws, okay? Even these screws, try to place them in a place when it's not on the ground, okay? At this point, you can remove the front part of your scooter, gently, okay? Right here. This is the front part of your scooter. Be careful to these parts right here, okay? Because they might break this one, and this one, okay? So they're made of plastic, and they don't last a long time, okay? So be careful. Okay, right here we have the scooter. So I think that we have to remove the headlights to see what's underneath, because I see an old alarm underneath. So maybe I didn't even know there was an alarm in there, but maybe it's not working, okay? So we have to remove the headlights. Okay, to remove the headlight of your scooter, you have 2 bolts right here and 2 bolts underneath, okay? To remove these ones, you need a 10mm socket right here. Now make sure the one underneath of your headlights, they're longer than the one on the top, okay? So pay attention, because if you flip them around, you might break something, the plastic, okay? So be careful. At this time, when you remove these ones, you can remove the headlight. Alright, you can disconnect the headlight right here. you see this connection right here, this scooter, they already have a connection for an alarm. So all the wires, they're already connected. So this connection right here is for the alarm. A lot of the scooters, they already have the alarm connection. So you don't have to wire nothing, you know? It looked like this scooter already had an alarm. It looked like it wasn't working maybe. So this one is the old alarm. This one is the old alarm with the connections. And there is also a siren right here. So I'm going to remove this old siren right here, and we don't really need it because I have a new one. Now make sure to clean everything when you open your scooter inside, okay? So you cannot touch. It's really rainy now. South Florida rain. So you cannot touch the alarm. Make sure that you clean everything, okay? Since you're here, make sure it's nice and clean. You see right here, there's an alarm, the siren that comes with a sticker in the back, okay? You just fill the sticker that is in the back, and you can put it right here. Now to make sure, with the driller, let's put a screw so it's not going to go anywhere, okay? Alright, this one is nice and firm. Now this one, the little box that comes with the alarm, it comes with a sticker too. So you can put a sticker right here and you can stick the box in there, okay? You can place it right there, okay? And you can put it right here. Now make sure this part is clean before you stick the box in there. Just fill her up. And you stick the part in there, okay? Try to press a little bit, okay? So to make sure it's gonna stay there, okay? Now, this one comes with all the connections, okay? That's the connector for the alarm right here. There's 3, 6, 7, 8 pins inside. Make sure you connect it the right way. There's a connector right here with a little slot, okay? And there is a little connector too for the alarm siren. You can put it together, okay? Right here. Now there is a ground. This ground, you can put it right here, okay? Be careful with this one. because this one is a black wire and it's an antenna, okay? This one is an antenna for the remote control. So don't break it, don't bend it, okay? Put it on the side. Like you see, the connections are pretty easy to make, okay? Okay, right after you place the alarm, you can put the headlight back, okay? Make sure to squeeze the headlight connection to make sure it's connected right, okay? Now, remember the top screws are short. The screw at the bottom, they're longer, okay? So, don't switch them around. Make sure you do not force the screws to bolts, because if you screw them too hard, they're going to break the plastic right here at the headlights, okay? Remember, the ones that are underneath, they are longer, okay? Okay, after you place the headlight, you know, you should try the scooter. You should try the alarm before you put the nose of the scooter here. Okay, because if not, you have to reopen the scooter again. Okay? Okay, make sure the scooter starts. Make sure the lights are working. Okay, look like the lights are working. That's already one step ahead, okay? Now we have to check to make sure the alarm is working. If the alarm doesn't work, we have to fix it, okay, before we close everything. Okay, right here on the alarm, there's a few buttons. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Did you see that? The scooter is starting just with this one. How do I turn it off now? Right here. So right here you start your scooter. Right here you turn off your scooter. And right here looks like you put an alarm on. No. Woohoo! So look like they appear. There's a panic alarm. This one you open the scooter. Down here you set your alarm. Now we should try to touch the scooter to see what happened, okay? So this one should be closing the alarm. This one should be opening the scooter. This one should turn the scooter on. We also have this key, okay? This one comes with a spare key for the alarm. Very interesting, okay? Now, if I press this button 2 times, is going to turn on your scooter. Okay? Now make sure your idle is not too high on your scooter, or if not, you're going to turn your scooter on and your scooter is going to fly away. Okay? So make sure your idle is perfect on your scooter. Okay? Now, to turn it off, you should press the button. So 2 times the lightning, you turn on your scooter. 1 time the open right here, lock open, that turns off your alarm. Okay? And this one turns on your alarm. Okay, for $20 this is okay, you know, can be pretty happy about it. Nothing exciting, but it's gonna be okay. Very interesting. Now at this point, what you can do, you can close everything right here, okay? Because it looks like everything is working. We just test everything, the lights are working, the remotes are working, and we can close everything right here, okay? Okay, right after you could check everything, make sure everything's good. You can put the cover back. Be careful because it's plastic, okay? So you have 2 screws underneath, those are Phillips screwdriver. And you have 2 screws on the driver's side, okay? One on the right, one on the left. Okay everybody, thank you very much for watching my video. I hope you enjoy, and feel free to subscribe to my channel and drive safe.